Hello students, my name is Aman Sharma. Today we are going to solve the next exercise, that is 6th F of simultaneous equations. So I will provide you the solution up to two equations. So the equations you have to solve by yourself by any of the three methods, that is simultaneous equation, or by equating the coefficient, and cross multiplication. These all three methods I have discussed in the previous videos. Okay, now we are going to start, and make sure that you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please do so. First question now. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. 5 years hence, A's age will be twice the age of B. Find their present ages. So we have to calculate their present ages. 5 years ago means 5 years before present age. For example, if today's your age is 14, 5 years ago your age was 9, 14 minus 5. And so now first of all we take the present ages as x and y, then we will do according to the question. 5 years ago, x minus y 5, y minus 5, that will be equal to 4 times. In 5 year hence means, that means after 5 years, x plus y and 5 plus 5. So let the present age of A be x, present age of V be y years. And according to first statement, so what first statement says, that 5 years ago, that means x minus 5 and y minus 5. So what was the relation 5 years ago between A's age and B's age? So A's age was 4 times, that means 4 multiplied by B's age. So 5 years ago B age was y minus 5 and A's age was x minus 5. So from here we will obtain one equation. So this will become minus 20 plus 5, which is equal to minus 15. So this is your first equation. Now according to second statement, 5 years hence, that means A's age was x plus y and y's age was y plus 5. So they are saying A's age was twice of, that means twice of B's age. So from here we can obtain one more equation. X plus 5 is equal to x minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. X minus 2y is equal to 5. This is your second equation. From these two equations you can find the value of x and y, which is their present ages, and this was what you have to calculate. Second question, A is 20 years older than B. So 5 years ago A was 3 times as old as B. Find their present ages. Okay, so first we have to write, let present age of A be x years, B's present age y years. This you can write the complete line. Now they are saying A is 20 years older than B. So if A is x, B is y, so if we add 20 in the age of B, then they will be equal. So this is according to first statement. X is equal to 20 plus y. So from here x minus y is equal to 20. This is your equation number 1. And second, they are saying A was 3 times as old as B when 5 years ago. Five years ago A's age was x minus 5 and this was y minus 5. A was 3 times, that means 3 times as old as B. From here we can obtain the second equation. x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is your second equation. When we take this minus 5, that side is equal to, this will change into positive 5, minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. From these two equations you can easily find the value of x and y, which is their present age. Okay student, third question. 4 years ago a mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. 6 years later mothers will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter of at that time. Find their present ages. So when they are saying ago and later, that means they are comparing with the present age only. So now 4 years ago, if the first of all we will consider mother's age be x, daughter's age be y. Then 4 years ago, x minus 4, y minus 4. The relation is 4 times. Let mother's age x years. You have to write completely. Daughter's age y years. Now they are saying 4 years ago, that means x minus 4, y minus 4. So mother was 4 years ago, mother was 6. 4 years ago mother was 4 times as old as daughter, 4 times. From here we will obtain first equation, that is x minus 4y. This is minus 16 plus 4. X minus 4y is equal to minus 12. This is your equation number 1. Now they are considering 6 years later. So this was first statement. Now second statement. According to second statement, 6 years later the mother will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter. 6 years later, x plus 6, y plus 6, 2.5 times, that is 2.5. 2.5. So that means we can also write 5 by 2. 25 upon 10 is just 5 by 2. So from here we can obtain the second equation. Just cross multiply. 2x plus 12, 5y plus 30. 2x minus 5y is equal to 30 minus 12, that is 18. So this is your equation number 2. So your first equation was this, and your second equation is 2x minus 5y. From these two equations you can easily solve your value for x and y, and you will get the present ages of mother and daughter. Question number 4. The age of man is twice the sum of ages of 2 children. So man की age is twice the sum of 2 children's. So after 20 years his age will be equal to sum of the ages of his children at that time. Okay, find the present age. So if we're talking about the present age is x, and sum of the ages of children we can take as y. If we add the age of both the children, then the resultant is y. So this is the present age. So the present scenario is x is equal to twice of y. After 20 years, man age will be 20 year increases and children age will be increased by 40 years. Both, because both will be plus 20 in the both. So x plus 20 is equal to y plus 20 plus 20. From here we will obtain the second equation. So already given in the hint, this will be your equation number 1, and from here you will get the equation number 2. Just solve these two equations, you will get your answer. Next question. Annual income of A and B are in ratio 3:4. Income's ratio of the income is given. Annual expenditures ratio is also given. Each save 5,000. Find their annual income. If both are saving 5,000, we have to calculate the annual income. Annual incomes of A and B are in ratio 3:4. Let the annual income of A be X rupees and B be rupees Y. So this is the income of A and B. And what about their expenditure and saves 5,000? So you all know what is expenditure, what is income, and what is saving. So income we earn, expenditure that we have, the amount we have spent on something, on buying something, on or our daily household works, and savings what we have saved from our income. So always income minus saving is equal to expenditure. So this is just rough. Income minus expenditure is equal to saving, or we can say income minus saving is equal to expenditure. Okay, so this you have to remember, income minus saving is expenditure. Now if this is given according to first equation, what is the ratios of income? 3:4. That means X ratio Y is equal to 3:4. 3 upon X upon Y is equal to 3/4. On cross multiplying we get 4X is equal to 3Y. 4X minus 3Y is equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. Now from here, income is X, savings is 5,000. So this is A's expenditure. A's expenditure is income minus savings. B's expenditure, again income minus savings. But according to the second statement, expenditures ratio is given 5:7. So that means X minus 5,000 upon Y minus 5,000 is equal to 5/7. From here on doing cross multiplication, what we will obtain? 7X minus 35,000, 5Y minus 25,000. From here we will get a new equation, that is 7X minus 5X is equal to 10,000, because when we take this 35 on that side it will become positive. 35 minus 25 is 10,000. So this is our equation number 2. Now easily we can solve these two equations, either of the three methods, and we will get our answer. So sixth question, in an examination the ratio of passes to failures was 4:1. So during an exam some students get passed and some were fail. So pass to fail, this number of students who were passed and other failures, the ratio was 4:1. Had 30 less appeared, 20 less passed, the ratio of passes to failure would be 5:1. Find the number of students who appeared for examination. Okay, they are saying if the total appeared student were 30 less and total passed student were 20 less, then we have to calculate the number of then the ratio is given 5:1, and we have to find the number of students who were appeared, who were passed over, and who were fail. So in the end we have to find the number of students who have appeared. That means pass and failure दोनों को ऐड करना. We need the final addition of students who got passed and fail. Okay, this is also given in the hint section, so I will explain only from here. Let the X student passed and Y student failed. So number of students who were passed, that is X, and failed Y. Now ratio is given, X upon Y is 4:1. This, from here your first equation will be X is equal to 4Y. On cross multiplication we will get X is equal to 4Y. In the second case, number of students appeared. Number of students in the first case is X plus Y. Now number of students appear is 30 less. X plus Y minus 30. And the past students were 20 less. That means earlier it was X, now X minus 20. This is the number of students who were passed. Now number of failures appeared minus past students. That will be number of failed students. So number of failed is appeared, that is X plus Y minus 30, and the students who were passed, X minus 20. On subtraction we get the number of students who were failed. So now this is a passed student, this is a fail. Their ratio will become 5:1. From here we will obtain our second equation on cross multiply. Okay, now next, the seventh question. A and B both have some pencils. A gives 10 pencils to B, then B will have twice as many as A. If B gives 10 pencils to A, then they will have the same number of pencils. How many pencils does each have? Let number of pencils A have X and B Y. Okay, according to first statement, if A gave 10 pencils to B, B will have twice as many as pencil as A. A gave 10 pencils to B, that means X minus 10. B get 10 pencils, that means X, Y plus 10. Now B is having twice as pencil as A, that means when we multiply it by 2, so B is having twice of pencil as A is having. So first of all, A give 10 pencil, that means X minus 10. Now B is having 10 pencils more, that means Y plus 10. Now B is having overall twice as A is having pencils, so we multiply A's pencil by 2, then equal to sign here. From here we can obtain our first equation. 2x minus y is equal to, this will become 20, 30. So this is equation number 1. So what we did, when 2 multiplied by x, 2x minus 20, this 20 will go that side, 20 plus 10, 30. This y will change its sign in and become negative. So this is our first equation. Now according to second statement, B will have twice as many as pencil. Okay, now, and if B gives 10 pencils to A, they will have same number of pencils. If B gave 10 pencils to A, B is having Y minus 10, A, now they are having same number of pencils. From here we can obtain one more equation. So x minus y is equal to minus 20. So this is our equation number second. I take y to this side and 10 to this side, so this will become minus 20 and y will become negative. So now B, when we have given 10 pencils to A, they have equal number of pencils, so just equal. From here we can obtain our answer. By solving these two equations, we will get the number of pencils which A was having and B was having. Question number 8. 1,250 persons went to see a circus show. Each adult paid 75 and each child paid 25 rupees. That is the price of ticket. For admission ticket, find the number of adults and number of children if the total collection from them amounts to 61,250. Okay, first of all assume that number of adults that were going to circus was X and the number of children were Y. Let number of adults X, number of children Y. Now the total 1250%. That means according to question, X plus Y is equal to 1250. This is your first equation. Now again, each adult is giving 75 rupees. That means X 75 multiplied by X. This is amount is given by adult. How much each child is given? 25 multiplied by Y, and this will become the total collection they are having, that is 61250. From here, this is our second equation. 75x plus 25y, this is 61250. We just take 25 as common and divide here. So this will become 3x plus y is equal to 61250 by 25. 2 times you can divide with 5 and you will get this is your second equation, this is your first equation. On solving these two equations you will get your answer. So this was an easy question, question number 8. Okay, so next question, two articles A and B are sold for rupees 1167, making profit 5% on A and 7% on B. Okay, if the two articles were sold for 1165, the profit 7% was on A and 5% was on B. Find the cost price of the each. Okay, so let the cost price be X and Y of A and B respectively. Then 5% profit was on A, and on adding 7% profit on B, we will get the selling price, that is 1167. And same way, profit 7% on A, 5% on B, we will get this selling price. So let cost price of A X rupees, cost price of B Y rupees. Now case 1. Selling price of A, that will be cost price plus profit. This is the selling price, cost price of A plus profit. So what is the cost price? X. What is the profit? It is given in the question that profit on A is 5 and B is 7. That means 7% of X, 7 upon 100 X. From here we will get the value of 100 upon 107x. Same way, selling price of B, that will be Y plus profit on Y, that is 5%. Okay, sorry, it was 5% and it was 7, so $107 Y. So this is the selling price of B. So total selling price will be equal to this selling price plus this 105 plus 107. So this is equal to 1167 rupees. From here we can obtain our first equation, 105x plus 107x equal to 116700. Okay, this is our first equation. Same way, second equation you can obtain, case 2. You can solve all just like this. I will write directly. The profit first is 7%, on A and 5% on B. 7% is 107 x plus 5% means 105. Y upon 100 is equal to 1165. 105x plus 107x plus 105y is equal to 116500. Taking 100 LCM and multiplying, same like this, taking 100 LCM and multiplying that side. So this is our equation number second. Now we have to solve these two equations. So on solving these two equations, we will get the value of x and y, which will be our answer. So we can multiply this by 105, 407, this by 107. Then on subtraction, we will obtain only one. We will get only one variable, and we can solve this easily. Okay, but no need to multiply the exact equations. For example, this will become, first equation will become 105 x. So when we multiply 105 here, it will become 105 square. Then plus 107 y multiplied by 105. Write it as it is. The same way 116 into 105. So this is your first equation. Now we will write the second equation. So this will become 107 square into x when we multiply here, plus this will become 105y multiplied by 107, and this will 116500 into 107. Now we have to subtract. So this will become negative, this will become negative. These two terms are exactly same. Y 105 multiplied by 107. So no need to multiply, just this will cancel each other, and we are having, so x common here, and 105 square minus 107 square. This we can also solve by a square minus b square formula. The same way here we are having multiply by 105 minus 116500 into 107. Okay, this will become a plus b, that is 105 plus 107, that is 212. A minus b, 105 minus 107, that is minus 2. From these two we can take 100 as common. 1167 multiplied by 105 minus 1156 multiplied. Okay, when we multiply this, we will get 1225 minus 124655. Here x is equal to division by 212 multiplied by 2. Okay, on subtraction we will get 100 multiplied by 2120 in division 212. So this will get at 10, this is 5, so value of x is 500. Now put this value in any of the equation to get the value of y. This will be around, this will be 600. So these are the cost price of x and y. Okay student, one question is left that you can try by yourself. If not possible, then I will solve in the next video. If you are unable to solve, then tell me in the comment section, and also try to solve the next exercise, and do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.